Some professionals are impressive. They speak well, present well, and stand out in the room. Others are quieter. They don't command attention. But when things matter, they are the ones people turn to. That difference decides careers. Modern work culture rewards impression, visibility. Charisma, quick confidence. Those signals travel fast, so they are mistaken for competence. And early on, they work. Impression scales only as long as things are simple. When complexity increases, surface signals collapse. Pressure reveals gaps, decisions slow down. Credibility erodes. That's when impressive careers plateau. Reliability isn't about being perfect. It's about reducing uncertainty. People trust reliable professionals because outcomes are predictable. They don't create drama. They don't surprise others in bad ways. Quiet professionals observe more than they perform. They notice patterns. They think in systems. That reflection builds judgment, and judgment creates reliability. Every reliable decision strengthens trust. Every trusted outcome increases responsibility. Over time, reliable professionals gain leverage without asking for it. No announcements, no personal branding required. Talent impresses, reliability stabilizes. In high-stakes environments, leaders prefer someone steady over someone brilliant but unpredictable. Reliability reduces cognitive load for everyone else. Mid-career is where reliability overtakes impression. The impressive must keep performing. The reliable are quietly elevated. Because organizations optimize for safety under pressure, not flair. Reliable professionals aren't less ambitious. They are long-term thinkers. They prioritize durability over speed, trust over applause, influence over attention. You don't need to stand out to matter. You need to be dependable when others hesitate. That's how quiet professionals become indispensable. Impression gets you noticed, reliability gets you chosen. If your work feels understated but consistent, you are likely building the kind of career that lasts and lasts quietly.